guys, welcome to aclaireytale. We are going somewhere very different today, different to the usual sort of Disney, Orlando area type things. We are going to Winter Park. If you've never been to Winter Park, it's about an hour's drive. I'll show you on the map whereabout it is when we're driving. I'm really excited to go. I've been there a few times. My wedding dress was from a place nearby. I got the Alfred Angelo wedding dress, and there was an Alfred Angelo near Winter Park. But it's not anymore because they don't exist, but I got the fairy tale Disney collection, you know, the bell dress. So I went there a few times. I did go a few times before then as well. Basically, Winter Park is really cool. It's got really special, independent, and very different restaurants, shops, bars, all that type of stuff. It's not as chain-y, or if there are chains, they're sort of quirky chains. So I'm really excited to show you some of those. We're going straight to a coffee shop that someone's recommended to us. We're also thinking of doing a boat ride. You just do like a round trip around the lake. It was Mary that sent me the link, and it's about $14, so we thought, why not, let's give it a go. Something different as well for us all to do, so that's going to be really fun. I don't know where we're going to eat tonight. I think we might leave Winter Park and eat elsewhere. It depends really, because we're running out of nights to do some of my favourite restaurants, so it might be that we do something different for that, one of my favourite chain restaurants probably. But it should be a good day. It should be a lovely sunny day, especially out on the boat. That would be glorious. So I really hope you enjoy following along today, and we'll see you at Winter Park. So I've done it from Magic Kingdom and Disney area. So this is Disney, and it's quite north. It's up here, Winter Park. It's not too far as well. We are here at Winter Park. It is just before you get into Winter Park. We're on like the outskirts to see this very famous coffee shop, and it looks very cool. It's really big. It's called Foxhole. I'll film it properly now. So this is it, the Foxhole Coffee Company. This is the Foxhole Gravity Bar in there. It's all one though, it's all the same company, and then this is the Foxhole Coffee Company. Oh, look at these square donuts. This place is super quirky. It's busy as well.
And that's the bagel, yeah? Are you happy? Yeah. What else?
It's so busy, there's like nowhere to sit, so we're on these little bar stools. And we've got the pink donut. Me and Mum are going to share this. Yeah, it's quite a quirky little coffee shop. Wow, look at this coffee. Core. And then look at my hot chocolate. Wow, that looks insane. Look what my dad got. That is so special, Dad. So what is it?
It's ice cream
and an espresso.
Coffee.
Wow. That is epic. What does it taste like, Dad?
I don't know.
Nice though?
It's coffee, very strong coffee, and a little fizzy.
Oh,
Ice cream.
nice. Well, that was very interesting. Very interesting. It was very weird and quirky. I enjoyed it though. The hot chocolate wasn't anything special. I've definitely had better ones, but it was nice to be in there. My dad tried to order, they had this thing called like a coffee cone. So we were trying to order that, but they didn't have any, so they gave him this weird concoction instead. He said it was really good. So if you're a coffee drinker, that sounds amazing basically. We are heading back now into the car, and we're going straight to this lake, and they have these scenic boat rides, so it should be good. So we have come down to the lake. Wow, this is lovely. We went through Winter Park, all the historic Old Town, which I'll take you to after this, and this is at the end of the road.
And today I give one glass wine for free.
Thank you.
Where is this from? From Bradshire.
This looks good. Scenic boat tour. It's very quaint, isn't it? I love that we just got some free pizza. I needed that. I was hungry. Yeah, it was really nice. Cheesy. So it looks like these are the little boats that they do. I think they're trying to fill it up now. So we've just paid and we're coming onto the boat.
Okay, please watch your step here.
Thank you.
And I'll take the tickets when you get a chance.
Thank you. Should we go on the back?
How about you?
Whoa, we're going on the back.
So when these folks settle, we'll just put you probably one on either side. Yes, here we go. Thanks for finding us. My name is David. I'll be your driver and your guide for the next hour on these 3 lakes and 2 canals.
An hour?
Actually, Seminole Indians used to camp on these shores, and that's why we call it Lake Osceola.
So 3 lakes and 2 canals, he says, and we're going to be on here for a whole hour. Cool. Yeah, that was a very rushed. We didn't even have time to think. Wow! Look at this. Oh, we're going for a little narrow.
They would have been after. If you look high to the left, that's a long little southern pine wrapping on vines with there. We don't know why this one got spared. Now the bridge up ahead is Osceola Avenue, and our heads are good.
We're all ducking.
Someone said in the last group. Thank you.
I can't believe we just had to duck under the bridge. Wow.
Now, if you're bound and determined to see an alligator on the trip, I suggest you look left and look low, and lower your expectations, because this is all I can produce. Sorry.
Oh.
Been here for years, he's kind of a stoner. He'll be here when we come back.
Wow, look at this greenery.
This is Lake Virginia, so named by the owner of a sawmill on this lake. That's where the logs would have ended up. I'll show you the spot a little bit later on. Our first non-native settlers actually...
Look at this home.
The year was 1920. The businessman of Deer Park wanted a place to get together after hours.
Look at that. It's gorgeous.
At the center of the building right now. Never got off the ground. My guess is the wives found out about it with the kibosh to that whole idea. It became a private home, and then Rollins College across the water.
Look at these houses.
Paid $3 an acre. 200 acres, $3 an acre. Today you can't touch a lot, much less an acre of land on these lakes for less than $1 million. That would
$1 million. Wow.
This is the Genius Estate. This dates back to the 30s, also called Wind Dawn.
I'm loving this breeze.
A year. An extra $132 if you want to go forward. Today it's a little bit steeper. A little north of $64,000. But that is room and board. It's good to know that it'll be roughly 25 right on shore.
Trying to be funny. He just said, here is a speed jump. We're not allowed to go on that anymore.
This is about a half mile or so.
Well, there's another boat.
That is a laurel oak tree full of what we call Spanish moss.
That was
Turns out it's not Spanish and it's not moss. It's actually an air plant, or technically an epiphyte, not a parasite. Doesn't take any moisture or any kind of energy from
We're going
the
back
tree.
through that tunnel, I think.
This is
We have to duck.
cousin of the pine. About 2 months ago, I booked a trip with some of the Orlando Magic people on the boat. The basketball team, I was really concerned about that.
He just said that this oak is older than the United States itself. Wow, there's people on the lake just paddleboarding. There's a guy over there, and now she is. What a life. Some very rich people live around this lake. The guy just said, you're not at Disney, guys, you're not on a rail. This is a free boat. He sounded very bitter. He just said we're coming up to the largest lake, 550 acres. There's people in canoes.
I think you're good. Don't think there's anybody behind you. So I built my tour around what I call the secrets of Winter Park, and I think this qualifies. This is a beautiful city park of 5 acres called Craft failure starts. You might not find it if you didn't take a tour, if you didn't know someone who lives here where it's at.
He just said this was his favourite one.
There's that pool house to the left, and of course there's that drop-dead gorgeous main house up the hill. Now look at that landscape.
Stunning.
Center house, guest house to the left, pool house to the right, tennis court pool. I'll tell you what, at the end of the day, I would gladly settle for one of those Adirondack chairs on the shore and an invitation.
Gosh, these houses! Unbelievable. This is amazing.
The tan house on the right. And the way I heard it was, the gentleman from White Park who was an engineer, well, he fell in love with that. And when he came home, he wanted to build something that would remind him of that floating city. So he did this, and in its infancy, this place actually sat in the water. So the waves of Lake Maitland here would lap up against the foundation, and that was all well and good until one day it wasn't. He came home one night, and he saw the kids jumping off that second-story balcony on the left, right into the water. Kerplop. So that wasn't too safe. It was time out for them and time for a little...
So he just said that Tom Hanks lived in there while he was filming From the Earth to the Moon. That's so cool. He says they're responsible for putting Christmas decorations on this tree, on this cypress tree.
It gets worse around Halloween. Oh, and by the way, we do night tours. If you're interested. Back in the canal, some interesting plants here. These are split leaf philodendron on the right.
I just got whacked by a twig. This is not a Disney safety.
Because of people like you,
He just said that this is the longest running attraction in the whole of Florida, including Disney and Universal. It's been going on since the 1930s, he said. Oh my gosh, what a hidden gem. That was so much fun. We were all just in the car then just saying how brilliant that was. We've been here so often and we've never even thought about doing that. So big thank you to mainly Mary who sent me the link and everything so that we got to do that. So thank you. That was such, I think she lives around here so she knows all the best things to do and stuff. We're walking into the main street now. I'll show you a bit of that. It's just really nice area, everything. Those houses, just how the other half live, guys. Oh my gosh, it's the new dream. My dream was a house of celebration, but now I want a house in Winter Park because that was stunning. And then these shops down the street, they're kind of like a more upmarket kind of shop. I'll show you what I mean when we're here. But yeah, if you are in the area or you're going to Winter Park, I definitely recommend doing that little boat trip. It was only $14, like plus a few dollars for the tip, and then it was about an hour, and you just got to learn so much and just see a different part of what you usually see, really. That was so good. So this is kind of the main street. There's a nice little fountain over there. Just see this, the first shop you see is really posh. Look at the jewellery in there. What's that? Is that a train? Oh, is this the train? The Amtrak. That's what all that noise is. We just turned into here and look at these fish. Me, mum and dad went to a French restaurant here once and it looks like it's gone now. Look at this tree. Was it here? Is it closed down? It's closed down. Ah, that was a shame because it was nice, wasn't it? Yeah, I remember. Looks like there's some sort of cheerleading going on over there. This is beautiful. I just got deja vu. Last time we were here there were a load of squirrels. Do you remember?
Yes.
Whoa. This is nice, isn't it? Here's a harvest. Dad wanted to come into this little art shop. It's stunning. Look at the colours of these. So nice. Yeah, Dad, you could do that. Oh, there's a Mickey and Minnie one.
It's Mickey's.
Huh?
Oh, I love the frame.
Well,
Oh, they're good.
It's a bit like in Mickey's house.
Yeah.
The way it was.
Wow, we've just walked into Restoration Hardware. It's stunning in here. This is the stuff for those £1 million houses. Yeah, I just said the same thing. like mines. Whoa, the chandelier. That chandelier is stunning. Well, it's been a wonderful little walk around Winter Park. It was really, really good, really nice to see. We're not actually hungry yet, so we're not going to eat at Winter Park. We're going to head back now, back to the villa, hang out a little bit, sunbathe, which is exactly what I wanted, just a bit of a relaxing day. And then I think we're going to go to Applebee's this evening, which is my favourite. You guys know that. There's a dish there. I've got everybody into it when I was on my programme, so I'll have to film that and show you that because it's my favourite. So I think I might just pick you back up when we are heading to Applebee's. It's sizzling, looks good, Dad.
Away, looks lovely.
So Dad's got bourbon chicken and shrimp. And then this is the best meal ever. Mum's got the same one, but you got a spud. Look at this. Fiesta lime chicken. I'm so excited. Well, that was delicious. I've got a little Mountain Dew to go. Just love that meal. We're going to have a little walk around Target. I'll take you along. I think we're going to go to a mall later as well. We've got loads of time, spare time today. I think we thought we'd be longer in Winter Park than we actually were. So we've come to Premium Outlets for a bit of shopping, a bit of late night shopping. It's about 7:30. This is the outlets closest to Disney housing, so we just got all the feels because we just came off the exit my dad used to do when he was dropping me off and stuff. I miss it. Well, I don't really miss housing. Gonna have a look in Nike shop and might look at the Disney Cast Connection shop as well. I'm so sorry, I just realised it's the next day now. I didn't finish the vlog yesterday. We had such a wonderful time at Winter Park. Absolute highlight was on that boat. I am dying to do it again with Simon now to show him it because it is brilliant. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next week. We're going to Epcot. Bye!
Make your memories, take your pictures,